Nucleus House, a unique home located in Tietê, Brazil, designed by the talented team at LOZÍ. Spanning 73 square meters, this house is the result of architectural exploration, balancing modern aesthetics with practical needs to create a flexible and efficient living space. Situated in a rapidly growing residential area, Nucleus House combines tranquility with accessibility, being close to well-established neighborhoods. Its strategic location ensures privacy while staying connected to urban conveniences, designed to meet the needs of current residents. The name Nucleus House reflects its core design concept: a central structural core that houses 2 complete bathrooms, a laundry area, and the hydraulic wall for the kitchen. This nucleus is not only the heart of the home, but also optimizes space and functionality. The house is positioned toward the back of the lot, approximately 2 meters from the rear wall. This arrangement allows for a linear garden in the front, offering a refreshing green space and private service area. The interior design is open and flexible, allowing for seamless integration of spaces. Large glass panels connect the indoors with the outdoors, flooding the home with natural light. The flexible layout also allows for transformation into a conventional home with 2 bedrooms and a suite if needed. The choice of materials demonstrates bold architectural experimentation. Exposed structural blocks are used throughout the home, with the central core finished in plaster and paint. The polished concrete floor, coated with white epoxy paint, adds a clean and modern touch. The butterfly-shaped roof with a 6% slope features sandwich tiles for thermal efficiency, complemented by a gypsum ceiling with pet wool insulation for maximum comfort. The front of the property is divided into 3 major sections: a concrete area, spacious enough to park 2 vehicles, a gravel zone, equipped with a versatile container, a large lawn with a pool, creating a refreshing recreational space. This thoughtful arrangement ensures both functionality and minimalist aesthetics. Nucleus House is a perfect example of how compact design can create a space that is flexible, modern, and highly functional. Its bold material choices, strategic layout, and seamless indoor-outdoor connection make this home a source of inspiration for anyone seeking innovative design ideas. Thank you for joining this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it inspiring. See you in the next Block 7 video.